Hi, my name is Tucker. I'm a junior from Harding University, and I'm a cabin counselor at Camp Ozark. Wow, it's hard to know where to even begin. Every day I get to wake up in a cabin with 10 to 13 campers and see the joy on their faces as they have the best day of their life. I love getting to play a vital role in building that experience for them, walking alongside these kids while they're here at camp. Every day is packed, and there's always something new and exciting to do. In the mornings, I'll coach a team competition squad and teach a skills-based activity class. Afternoons are full of running around, working in an area, or jumping on water slides and whatever other fun things the kids want to do. Evenings are where we do our program elements, Bible studies, and other special events. Throughout the day, there are so many little moments to pour into these kids and have some really cool conversations. Every kid is different, and I love getting to know their stories. As I build those relationships and start to earn the right to be heard, I get the chance to speak into their lives in a meaningful way and share my own life experiences. Those moments where a kid opens up and pours their heart out makes all of this so worth it. Outside of the cabin, I have loved getting to know all the other counselors and staff around camp. I built some awesome friendships with people all over the country, and I've made some special relationships that will truly last beyond just a summer. I've grown so much myself here at camp, and I honestly can say I am now a wiser, stronger, more resilient, and confident leader. I wouldn't trade this summer for anything.